So today we are learn about the suddenly enlargement. Here so that the suddenly enlargement. Okay, first of all, diameter of pipe is lower, then that the diameter will be increased. That is the diameter lower, then suddenly enlargement here. So we are calculate between the 2 points pressure difference, and that pressure difference so that based on YouTube manometers here. Okay, and that reading for the calculation for K. First of all, we are on the main switch of the pump, and here pump through. First of all, pipe the on valve on here, and that is a pressure point 1 here. Okay, and that pressure that is a connecting by directly here band, and that is a suddenly enlargement valve will be only open, and that sudden enlargement open through that connect with the direct the YouTube manometer, and that here the direct outlet, and then is a suddenly is enlargement here, and that point also be connected second point of band, and that is a connected here. So that pressure difference, though that pressure that sudden enlargement pressure difference, see here, so that here that we are calculate the how many pressure difference will be pressure drop will be created, and that is also is outlet of the valve overall, so that here the valve is closed, and that here is a bottom tank of this collection of liquid, and that liquid here to note down the value of 0 liter, 5 liter, 10 liters, and will valve will be open. Though we are also be calculated for the velocity of water, yeah, how many taken time for the collective fill of the water, and that is making make the flow rate of fluid flow rates, and we also calculate the flow rate of value, the 5 taken how many taken time complete the 5 liters, 10 liters, and that base you can calculate also the velocity of the fluid, and that velocity and that is the pressure drop we are using for the calculation of the calculation for the pressure drop. Okay, thank you. Today we are learn about the suddenly contraction. Here so that suddenly contractions means the diameter had to suddenly diameter will be reduced. So this is a contraction here. So here contraction here, the first point before the line, the pressure drop, here the first line will connect the YouTube manometer is the starting point, and that will connect with the YouTube manometer, and then is a second point, point 2, here the connection also the here, and that connect to that is a create into pressure difference, that pressure difference so that the here of reading YouTube manometer. Okay, and then is the outlet of the tank. Okay, so first of all we are on the pump switch, and then we are the switch here the suddenly contraction here, and that contraction so switch 1 is the on, and here also the outlet contraction here on, and the both switch are will on where only the YouTube manometer reading only the here value, that is a suddenly contraction, and that pressure difference we can calculate, and that pressure difference used for calculation, and also we are using for that the outlet of the tank which will be closed, and that is the bottom tank we collecting the liquid, and we are reading of the 0, then the starting the how many taken time for liquid we fill of the 5 liter, 10 liters, and that reading for using the calculation of the flow rate and velocity of the flow rate. Okay, and that data used for the calculation. Okay, thank you.